Good afternoon, everyone. Today is a great day in my world. I got me a brand new chainsaw. So let's check this out and get started on it. So the Stihl MS180 is an easy start, and according to what the dealership told me, put it at full choke for 2 pulls. If it doesn't start, take the choke off, because these have a tendency of flooding really easy. And it is flooded. Yeah, it was flooded fast. Let's go do what a normal lawn care person does. Let's go cut up some wood that's not supposed to be cut up with chainsaw. Yard's looking nice to first start. Yeah, we're snowing. Man, that's a nice saw for me. Gonna do everything I wanted to do. It'll take a bit to learn how to start that thing though. A little tough at the first beginning of the season doing all this stuff. That saw is gonna be wonderful for me. That's gonna do everything I ever wanted to. It's a little bit boggy just because it's brand new yet. The rings have not seated in the cylinders yet. I gotta learn how to start it, and dealership said it was easy to flood. It's easy to flood. So on the warm days, I'm gonna try out I'm gonna try and start it without even using a choke, which I think is probably the best way to go for me for that saw. And that's gonna work really well. It's got all the power I need. I was gonna get the smallest one, which is a 14-inch bar, and figure for $50 more. I think it was around $250 all total for that. Just spend the extra $50 to get the bigger saw, and I'm glad I did, because that's got lots of power and buzzed right throughout. And there were popple trees, nice and soft trees, but still it did a nice job for me. So as far as the review on it, I'm very happy with it. Is it a commercial saw? Probably not, but high-end homeowner, I would think would be just fine. So that's gonna be my review of the Stihl MS180. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Any suggestions, please put down below. Everybody have a good evening, and
see you at the next yard. Peace. Goodbye.
friends in need are friends indeed. actually me that does this.